I bet you didn't know how crucial a consistent bedtime routine is. Are you at your wit's end with sleepless nights and cranky mornings? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to share with you 10 sleep training hacks that will transform your little one into a champion sleeper. We'll cover everything from establishing a consistent bedtime routine to creating the perfect sleep environment, all designed to help your child and you get a full night's sleep. So, if you're ready to say goodbye to sleepless nights and hello to well-rested mornings, keep watching. Number 1. Consistent bedtime routine. It gives them a sense of security and predictability, which is exactly what they need to wind down for sleep. Think of a consistent bedtime routine as a series of cues gently guiding your child towards dreamland. Start by choosing a bedtime that works for your family's schedule and stick to it as closely as possible, even on weekends. This consistency is key to regulating your child's natural sleep-wake cycle. Create a calming and predictable sequence of events leading up to bedtime, like a warm bath, a soothing massage, pajamas, a favorite story, and quiet cuddles. Over time, your child will associate these cues with sleep, making it easier for them to settle down and drift off. Remember, consistency is key. Stick to the routine as much as possible, and you'll be amazed at how quickly your little one adapts. Number 2. Soothing sleep environment. Just like adults, babies can be easily disturbed by noises, both inside and outside the home. A barking dog, a passing car, even the hum of the refrigerator can disrupt their sleep. White noise, lullabies, or relaxing music with beautiful nature sounds acts as soothing music that helps to mask other, more jarring sounds. Think of it as creating a sound cocoon around your baby, blocking out any sudden noises that might startle them awake. There are many different types of white noise, from the gentle whooshing of a fan to the calming sounds of nature. You can experiment to find what works best for your child. Some babies respond well to the sound of rain, while others prefer the rhythmic hum of a fan. The key is to find a sound that is soothing and consistent. Relaxing music can be a lifesaver for parents of light sleepers, helping to create a calm and peaceful sleep environment for their little ones. Number 3. Teaching your child to fall asleep independently is a gradual process that requires patience and consistency. The goal is to help your child learn to self-soothe and fall asleep without relying on you to rock them, feed them to sleep, or lie down with them. Start by gradually reducing the amount of assistance you provide at bedtime. If you usually rock your baby to sleep, start by rocking them for a shorter period and then putting them down drowsy but awake. If they cry, go back in and comfort them, but resist the urge to pick them up right away. Instead, try patting their back or singing a lullaby until they calm down. Over time, gradually increase the amount of time you wait before going back in to comfort them. This teaches them that even though you're not right there with them, you're still nearby and they can soothe themselves to sleep. With consistency and a lot of love, you can teach your child to fall asleep independently, giving them the gift of good sleep habits for years to come. Number 4. Darkness plays a crucial role. When it's dark, our bodies release a hormone called melatonin, which signals to our brains that it's time to sleep. Make sure your child's bedroom is dark, quiet, and cool for sleep. Use blackout curtains to block out any streetlights or early morning sunlight. You can put little nightlight or lamp for kids. According to a research in the Journal of Sleep Research, Kids who slept in rooms with night lights experienced less anxiety and despair than those who slept in total darkness. By creating a dark and conducive sleep environment, you're encouraging your child's body to produce melatonin naturally, promoting deeper and more restful sleep. Number 5. The benefits of an early bedtime. An early bedtime is crucial for ensuring your child gets enough sleep. Children who go to bed early tend to sleep longer and wake up feeling more refreshed. When children are overtired, it becomes harder for them to fall asleep and stay asleep. Their bodies go into overdrive, producing stress hormones that make it difficult to relax. To determine the best bedtime for your child, observe their natural sleep cues. Don't try to keep them up later, thinking they'll sleep in longer. It often has the opposite effect. Number 6. Consistent wake-up time. Waking up at approximately the same time each day, even on weekends, helps to regulate your child's internal clock, also known as their circadian rhythm. This internal clock governs their natural sleep-wake cycle, and keeping it consistent leads to better sleep overall. When your child wakes up at the same time each day, their body gets into a predictable rhythm, making it easier for them to fall asleep at bedtime and wake up feeling refreshed. It might be tempting to let them sleep in on weekends to make up for lost sleep, but this can actually disrupt their sleep patterns. Number 7. Comfort objects. Comfort objects, like a favorite blanket, stuffed animal, or even a special toy, can provide a sense of security and comfort for children at bedtime. Think of these objects as transitional objects, helping your child bridge the gap between being awake and falling asleep. These objects often represent familiarity and security, providing a sense of comfort and reducing anxiety as your child drifts off to sleep. The key is to choose an object that is safe and appropriate for your child's age. If your child is attached to a particular blanket or stuffed animal, consider having a backup on hand in case one gets lost or needs to be washed. Number 8. Room temperature. The temperature of your child's bedroom can significantly impact their sleep quality. A room that is too hot or too cold can make it difficult for them to fall asleep and stay asleep. The ideal room temperature for sleep is generally between 68 and 72 degrees Fahrenheit. That's 20 to 22 degrees Celsius. This temperature range helps to promote relaxation and prevents your child from overheating or feeling too cold during the night. You can adjust the temperature in your child's room by using a fan, opening a window, or adjusting the thermostat. A comfortable temperature will help your child relax and drift off to sleep more easily. Number 9. Daytime naps. Daytime naps are essential for babies and toddlers. It's important to make sure they're not interfering with nighttime sleep. If your child is having trouble falling asleep at bedtime or waking up frequently during the night, it might be necessary to adjust their daytime nap schedule. As children grow older, they need less daytime sleep. A toddler who is still taking long naps in the late afternoon might not be tired enough at bedtime. Gradually, shorten your child's naps and/or move them earlier in the day as they get older. This will help to ensure they're tired enough for bedtime. Pay attention to your child's individual sleep cues and adjust their nap schedule accordingly. Number 10. Positive reinforcement. Positive reinforcement can be a powerful tool in encouraging good sleep habits. When you praise and reward your child for sleeping well, you're reinforcing those positive behaviors and making them more likely to repeat them. Start by acknowledging and praising your child when they sleep through the night. or go to bed without a fuss. You can say things like, "I'm so proud of you for sleeping so well last night," or "You're such a big boy, girl, for going to bed so nicely," or "Good job." Remember, the key to positive reinforcement is to be consistent and genuine in your praise. So there you have it. 10 sleep training hacks to help your little one and you get a good night's sleep. Remember, every child is different, and what works for one may not work for another. Be patient, be consistent, and most importantly, trust your instincts. If you found these tips helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more parenting tips and advice. And don't forget to share this video with any other tired parents out there who could use a good night's sleep. You've got this. Yee.